Good morning, class 9. Today, only some refreshing questions. Good morning and best of luck for exam. In some schools, exam has finished, but in some, today exam. आज के जाँच कुनै कुनै स्कुलमा छ साइन्सको क्वेसन नम्बर 1 भेरी सर्ट क्वेसन one liner one sentence very short question लेख्ने for example inertia acceleration moment refraction mirage critical angle refractive index sin I by sin r taxonomy Snell's law etc or write some proofs or evidences. Question number 2 draw generally three gases hydrogen oxygen and nitrogen gas. Draw label and write chemical equation. And another solar eclipse यसमा मुन बिचमा हुन्छ सन मुन अर्थ लुनारमा सन अर्थ एन्ड मुन अर्थ बिचमा ग्लास ल्याब टु सो रिफ्र्याक्सन अफ लाइट बेन्डिङ अफ लाइट ग्लास प्रिजम टु सो dispersion. Question number 3 scientific reasons generally physics scientific reason लेख्नुपर्ने very short question भित्र. Question number 4 write differences in 2 points like speed and velocity refraction and reflection x-ray and ultraviolet ray and some others sometimes hydrogen nitrogen and oxygen also. Question number 5 numericals. To solve the numerical always use ampere system. In simple machine generally inclined plane a lever light sound. In electricity voltage to find voltage to find current resistance or resistivity or conductivity and write down the proper units. Question number 6 state scientific reasons. State Newton's laws of motion. 3 laws, first law, second law, third law. Law of movement, clockwise and anti-clockwise. Darwin's theory in 5 points. Overpopulation, struggle for existence, natural selection or survival of the fittest, heredity and variation, and origin of new species. In the same way, Lamarck's theory, and you can also criticize in 3 points use and disuse of organs, environmental effect on organisms, and another inheritance of acquired characters, properties and uses of hydrogen, oxygen, and nitrogen. Sometimes physical, sometimes chemical properties with equations, advantages and disadvantages of viruses. To study these viruses, bacterium and fungi are very important. Study को लागि हो. The disadvantages ma different types of diseases are spread. You have to know. Question number 9 man. Name 5 kingdoms with scientific names like Homo sapiens for human being. P. Pisum sativum. Question number 10. Classify with scientific reasons or salient features. Kingdom, subkingdom. For example, if you want to say, well, how to classify? Kingdom Animalia, phylum Chordata, and class Mammalia, and 1 or 2 salient features. It lives in water, aquatic. It respires through lungs. In the same way, pine. How to classify pine? Kingdom Plantae, sub. To classify if it is an animal, right? Animalia, kingdom Animalia. If it is a plant, right? Plantae. Plantae, not plant. Question number 12. Prove that. This question is also a model. F equal ma, relation between acceleration is directly proportional to force and inversely proportional to mass. Kinetic energy half mv square, and you can apply this process in solving the problem. Rho equal R by L. Question number 12. Another the typical question is question number 12. Question number 13 is electronic configuration. Draw electronic configuration of different elements on the basis of SPDF. Remember, S2, 6, 10, 14. And identify the elements, write down their valency, group, period, etc. And question number 14, there are so many questions, so many types. Proof or evidences. Evidence of organic evolution, like from fossils, from embryos, paleontological, embryonic evidences, geographical distribution, and so many other intermediate characters like dog-billed platypus and longfish. For intermediate character, longfish and dog-billed platypus. Another saber-toothed tiger. Saber-toothed tiger. Another example is also there. Archaeopteryx. See, long fish, fish having long, intermediate character. Also, dog-billed platypus, egg-laying mammal, but lays eggs, having showing dual characters. And the saber-toothed tiger, दाँत भएको, Archaeopteryx, a bird having teeth, bird with teeth, दाँत भएको चरा, means showing double characters. So evidences of organic evolution. Question number 15 last today. What you do? Balance. KClO3, KCl plus O2. I give some examples only. KClO3, KCl plus O2, 3 to 2 KCl, 2 KCl plus 3 O2. See, 3 into 2, 3 to the 6, 2 3 is 6. Potassium chlorine, 2 2. In the same way, nitrogen plus hydrogen Haber process, ammonia. How to balance? Nitrogen 2, 1. Hydrogen 2, hydrogen 3. To balance, you can balance this way.